Bates!
Coming, my lord. You know, my lord, I do wonder if it might have been a mistake to call in Kim Possible.
Nonsense. The plan worked perfectly. She retrieved the item, didn't she?
My lord could have handled those primitive booby traps.
And risk injuring these hands? Besides, by masquerading as the ninja, I throw suspicion off me.
You know best, of course, my lord.
And now destiny awaits. For at last I have all 4 monkeys.
Stunning in its monkiosity.
It is magnificent. And now mystical monkey power shall be mine!
You mean that figuratively, of course, my lord.
What's that, Bates?
Well, to truly believe that old myth would be crazy.
Crazy, you say? Like it was crazy to spend the family fortune on radical genetic mutation and dangerous experimental surgery? Like it was crazy to become a man-monkey who violates every law of nature and science? It's a touch unconventional. Now, put the magic monkey in place.